Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching Professional Insurance Program's on-demand webinar. Today we will be discussing auto insurance. Our goal today is to help you better understand auto insurance so you can make informed decisions about your coverage. We'll cover several key topics including liability coverage, uninsured and underinsured motorist protection, deductible options, and additional coverages you may want to consider. Let's get started. Here's what we'll be discussing today. Understanding liability coverage, what it includes and why it's essential. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, how it protects you when others are at fault. Deductible choices, understanding comprehensive versus collision coverage. Additional coverages, extras like roadside assistance and rental car reimbursement. Let's begin with liability coverage. Liability insurance is one of the most important components of your auto policy. If you cause an accident, this coverage helps pay for damages and injuries to others. Here's how it works. Bodily injury liability covers medical expenses, lost wages, and legal costs if you injure someone in an accident. Property damage liability pays for repairs or replacement of another person's property if you're at fault. Medical payments coverage helps cover initial medical costs for you and your passengers, no matter who is at fault. Many states have minimum liability requirements, but it's crucial to ensure your coverage limits are high enough to protect your assets. Let's talk about what happens when the other driver doesn't have enough insurance. Did you know that about 14% of drivers are uninsured? If you get hit by one of them, you could be left paying for your damages and medical bills out of pocket unless you have the right coverage. Uninsured motorist protection covers you and your passengers if an uninsured driver causes an accident. Underinsured motorist coverage helps pay the difference when an at-fault driver doesn't have enough insurance to cover your expenses. Given the high number of uninsured drivers on the road, this coverage is essential to protect yourself financially. Your deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Choosing the right deductible is about finding a balance between cost and coverage. Comprehensive coverage pays for damage from theft, fire, weather, and animal-related accidents. Collision coverage covers damage to your car in an accident with another vehicle or object. Glass coverage. Some policies offer a $0 glass deductible so you don't have to pay out of pocket for windshield repairs. Higher deductibles typically lower your premium, but you'll want to choose an amount you can comfortably afford if you need to file a claim. Beyond standard coverages, there are extra options that can provide added peace of mind. Roadside service covers towing, jump starts, and lockout assistance. Transportation coverage pays for a rental car while yours is being repaired after a covered claim. Loan, lease gap insurance covers the difference between what you owe on a vehicle and its actual value if it's totaled. These add-ons can be valuable, especially if you rely on your vehicle daily. Here are some key things to keep in mind when managing your auto policy. Household drivers. Make sure all drivers in your household are listed on the policy. Permit holders. Add new drivers once they get their license. Vehicle assignment. If you have a new driver, consider placing them on an older, liability-only vehicle to save on premiums. Keeping your policy updated ensures you have the right coverage in place at all times. Before we wrap up, here are the key points to remember. Review your liability limits to ensure they adequately protect your assets. Consider uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, given the number of uninsured drivers on the road. Adjust your deductibles based on your financial comfort level. Reach out to professional insurance programs with any questions or to update your coverage. If you'd like a personalized review of your auto insurance policy, feel free to contact us. You can call us at 800-637-4676, email info@profinsprog.com, or visit www.insuranceformembers.com.